Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable game mode on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Every Windows 11 PC features a function known as a game mode. While game modes purpose to assist with smoothness and optimization of game performance for Windows 11, if you're having issues, it may be a conflict with this setting. It changes automatically, or perhaps enabling game mode may fix issue you're having with games on your PC. So what if you want to enable this feature on your PC or laptop on Windows 11? It's very simple. First of all, you of course can go to start menu. From here you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to gaming section, select on gaming, and you'll find game bar, captures, and game mode. Because you want to enable this feature, of course, you can select on game mode. So by default, your game mode is off. If you want to enable it, you can just tap on the toggle in here, and now you have optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background with game mode active on your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on game mode on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.